Are you looking for a security solution that doesn't compromise on airflow or visibility? Meet the FlexiGlide Vision, air-sliding folding security shutter. Designed specifically for high-traffic areas, this shutter is perfect for motorway services, airports, and shopping malls. The Vision Air offers a unique solution for busy public spaces. Its open grille pattern allows for ample airflow and visibility, making it ideal for food courts and retail environments. The sliding folding mechanism operates smoothly, requiring no bottom track, ensuring easy access and cleaning. This robust security option is made from high-grade aluminium, providing reliable protection. Its sleek design comes in natural aluminium or powder-coated finishes, fitting seamlessly with various architectural styles. Vision Air also serves multiple applications, from room dividers to secure shop fronts. Let's explore its ideal uses. In motorway service stations, it ensures quick visibility for staff and security, while allowing easy access during peak hours. Airports benefit from its elegant design, keeping passenger flow uninterrupted. Shopping malls can display products even when secured, encouraging more foot traffic. Are you ready to enhance your security with the FlexiGlide Vision air-sliding folding security shutter? Contact HVP Security Shutters today for your free consultation. Visit our website to download technical information and specifications. Experience the blend of security and openness with the Vision Air shutter.